Welcome to the UrbOx installation guide. Let's get started with your UrbOx Eco. In the package, you'll find one indoor unit, one outdoor unit, two dispensers, PU pipe, one charger, one C-to-C cable, pneumatic accessories, and 4 rubber footings. Begin by carefully unpacking the devices from the package box. Place the outdoor unit on the floor and fasten the rubber footings securely. Ensure the unit is positioned at a proper water level for optimal performance. Next, connect the electric cord to a power point. At the bottom of the unit, attach the 9mm PU pipe provided in your package. Using pneumatic accessories, convert the PU pipe flow from 1 to 2 to enable connect to 2 dispensers. Drill a 12mm hole across the wall in the demarcated areas where the dispensers shall be installed. This will allow oxygen to be dispensed directly into your room. Connect the PU pipe to each dispenser and carefully install the dispensers in the designated holes. Once the dispensers are installed, connect the indoor unit to its charger using the cable provided in the package. Plug the charger into a power socket to activate the indoor unit. For detailed guidance, refer to the UrbOx installation manual included in your package. It contains step-by-step instructions to ensure proper setup. Step 1. Connect the indoor unit to a power source. The unit's light will turn green, indicating it is ready to connect via Wi-Fi. On your mobile device, navigate to the available Wi-Fi networks and locate UrbOx Indoor X66X. The last 4 digits represent the device code. Select this network and enter the default password 1234568 to connect. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, open a web browser on your mobile device. Enter 192.168.4.1 in the address bar and press search. A configuration window will appear. Provide the following details: SSID, enter your Wi-Fi network username. Key, enter your Wi-Fi password. O2%. Set this value to 23. Click Save to complete the configuration. A success message will appear, confirming the process is complete. With this, the device configuration is successfully completed. Step 2. Download the Urban Oxygen app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your preferred mobile device. Open the app, enter your mobile number, and sign in. Complete the required details and select Sign Up. Use the device ID, which corresponds to the last 4 digits mentioned in Step 1. Set your desired oxygen level within the range of 20 to 25. Scroll up in the app to view additional information and indoor air quality parameters. Your UrbOx system is now installed. Start breathing oxy-rich air, ensuring a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. To ensure optimal performance, make sure all doors and windows are closed.